In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo flow tutorial. We will build a flow using a ready-made template, then review it and switch it live so it can start running for your audience. This is a simple process, but it is important to move through each screen carefully so you know exactly what you are turning on. To begin, look at the left-hand navigation menu in Klaviyo and click Flows. This takes you to the area where all of your automation lives. If you already have flows created, you will see them listed here. If you are starting fresh, this is still the right place to be. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. This is the button Klaviyo uses for starting a new automation. After you click it, you will be taken into the Flow library, which is a collection of templates designed for common marketing and lifecycle messages. Now, click a template from the Flow library. A popular option is a welcome series, because it is designed to greet new subscribers and introduce them to your brand. Choose the template that matches your goal, since the structure and timing can vary depending on the use case. After selecting your template, you will see a setup modal where you need to select a trigger. The trigger decides what event starts the flow, such as when someone joins a list or takes a specific action. Pick the trigger that best matches how you want people to enter this automation, then click Use Template to enter the builder. Once you are in the canvas, you will be able to see the full flow laid out visually, including the messages and any delays. When you are ready to activate it, go to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. This step is important because it is the final checkpoint before your flow begins sending. In the status dropdown, select Live. Live means the flow is active and can send messages to real people based on the trigger you chose. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save. This locks in your selection and turns the flow on. After this, keep an eye on performance and make adjustments later if needed, but the setup is complete and running. And that is all there is to it.